So I've got to combine these two fractions, so I've got to subtract them, so I've got to have the same denominators. So times the denominators together, I get a difference of 2 squares on the bottom, so that'll be 1 minus tan squared x on the bottom. This first one here, I'll have to times top and bottom by 1 plus tan x, so that'll give me 1 plus tan x, and then it's going to be minus, got times top and bottom by 1 minus tan x, so that'll be 1 minus tan x. And that equals 1 minus 1 is nothing, tan x minus minus tan x is 2 tan x over 1 minus tan squared x. That is equivalent to tan 2x. That's the first bit done. And then part 2. This expression here is exactly the same as this expression. So what I've got to do is I've actually just got to work out from pi over 12 to pi over 6 of tan 2x dx. And I know that if I integrate tan x according to the formula sheet, that goes to ln sec x. But we got tan 2x, so that will have to go to ln sec 2x. But if I were to differentiate this and go backwards, if I differentiate that, I'd have to differentiate ln sec x, which gives me tan 2x, but then I'd have to also differentiate the 2x, and that would give me 2 times that. I only want one of that, so I need a half out the front. So this equals between the limits of a half ln sec x, or sec 2x rather, between pi over 6 and pi over 12. Sec x, we know what that means, so it's a half ln 1 over cos 2x between pi over 6 and pi over 12, which equals a half of ln, and it's 1 over, and cos of that's pi by 6, so 2 pi, that'll be pi by 3, so that's a half minus a half ln 1 over, and 2 lots of pi by 12 will be pi by 6, so that's going to be root 3 over 2. And that means it's got to do a reciprocal of that, so that equals a half ln, so reciprocal of a half is 2, minus a half ln, reciprocal of root 3 over 2 is 2 over root 3, and that equals a half ln 2 minus a half of, and I have to work out this is a rules of indices, so that'll be ln 2 minus ln root 3, and that equals a half ln 2 minus a half ln 2, and the minus minus are plus a half ln root 3, and that equals, they disappear, so it's a half ln root 3. You can write that in different ways, but it is in the form of a ln b, so a ln b. That's it, and that's question 5 done.